Hi, I'm going to show you how to monitor your baby. First, prepare two devices. You need to download and install the app on both of them. Now, you can read the important information. You will learn how to set up the app and get to know the best and new features. If you are ready to proceed, click on Done. Let me show you how to pair your devices. Create code on the main device, enter this code on the second device, and accept all notifications. Devices have been paired. Now you need to allow all the notifications. Tap on the child icon and activate the child unit on the one of the devices. Choose the parent icon on the second device and now wait a few seconds for devices to connect. In the meantime, learn more about the specific icons. The monitoring session has begun.